Hey, my name is VK, and I know as an entrepreneur that it can be hard, it can be difficult trying to be the head cook and the bottle washer, the one that opens and closes. It can be tough, but it's also so exciting to control your own destiny and to make some more money doing something that you love. Today, 1 in 3 Americans have a side hustle or a side gig, and I think you should too. That's why I'm here to help. On this channel, I make videos to show you how to get more views and more subscribers on YouTube, how to grow your YouTube channel from the ground up. If you are interested in that, like this video, share it, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notifications to be part of this community. If you are already a member of this Make Money Online Working From Home community, welcome back.